Hello, here we have my 19-month-old granddaughter Ellie at her Mommy and Me story dance class at Soulfire Studios in Las Vegas, Nevada. Her 2-year-old classmate is attentive to the storybook, while Ellie squeals as she wants to begin dancing. The premise of the story dance class is pretending to be the characters of the story through dance. Right now, Carissa, her dance teacher, is getting out costume pieces for the 2 children to put on. In past classes, Ellie has not wanted to put on any of the costume. But today, she shows that she is willing to have the pirate red belt put on her waist. But once the belt is on her, she's not quite sure that she really likes it to be there. Let's see how she does with the pirate hat. Remember, she's never seen any of these costume pieces before. They are all new to her. She is much more happy with the hat as she looks at herself in the mirror. She puts the hat on again and tries pulling on it. She looks at herself in the mirror and she's having quite fun with it. She wonders, will it fall off? Now, Carissa, her dance teacher, hands her a pretend pirate's telescope to look through. Ellie has never seen one of these. She looks at her classmate to see what she's doing with it. To Ellie, it looks more like a horn, and she puts it up to her mouth. Again, she puts it up to her mouth. She doesn't quite understand that she should be looking through it, and she isn't yet being able to show that she can pretend. Although Ellie participates in copying the different actions of the class, she isn't relating them to pretending to be a pirate. That is because Ellie is in the sensory-motor period of Piaget's theory of cognitive development. But in order to pretend, the child must have reached substate 6, mental representation, which occurs from 18 to 24 months. We will see that Ellie is not yet at this stage. Again, Ellie plays with the hat and puts it on her face. She notices that there's an indentation, a hole. Again, while Ellie might participate in some of the actions, she doesn't quite understand that they are part of pretending to be a pirate. Here is something new she's never seen before. At first she is reluctant to take it, but as Grandma shows her what fun it can be, she ultimately takes it and tries doing it herself, and copies what everyone else is doing. They are mopping on the ship. But Ellie is just playing with something new that she's got. She pushes it around, sweeps a little, and then thinks that Well, this is quite fun. Maybe two would be even funner. As she tries and attempts new things with this new object that she's been given. What Ellie is showing us is substage 5 of the Teteretary circular reactions, which occurs from 12 to 18 months, where a child shows increasing flexibility and creativity in their behaviors through their experimentation with new objects. She doesn't want to give up the brooms because they have been quite fun.